In the Mexican town of Acuna, Coahuila, I was down at the bar drinking beer and tequila. It was then when I saw the most beautiful senorita walk on through the door. She had a pretty red dress on and a rose in her hair. Every man in the room could not help but stare. Was convinced it was love at first sight, I swear. I knew I'd have to ask her to dance. So we danced all night long.
And whenever they bring their lights up,
we romanced.
turn out the lights and it's just, I had no idea.
Song after song.